and I've been driving buses for 35 years. I get the new T12E in May this year, and it was over my expectation. I'm driving often in the center of Oslo, and the clients who go with me is very happy because it's very quiet, of course, and very smooth.
Seems very nice. It was very smooth. The good overview over the dashboard, and for the passengers and behind. And yeah, no, everything is fine.
The riding experience of this coach is really good. There's nearly no noise. The bus is really driving comfortable. What I understood from the driver is that the range is around 500 km, and that's a good range.
I feel like it's a very new experience, and it feels like it's really the future of bus operations. I'm very excited. We just received our first delivery of Yutong buses this month, and we feel like it will be a very good addition to our fleet, and it will be very easy to maintain and deliver excellent service for many years.
My name is Lila Harangozo, and I work in the European Parliament. This was an amazing test ride. Also, when we were talking with the driver about the qualities of the bus, based on what he says, this bus meets all the standards that we are supposed to take in the near future and in the longer future too.